I'm not here to hurt anyone.
You've already put my daughter's life at risk just by stepping foot in here.
I came to you for help, and you tried to have me killed.
Look, I just needed information because I can't allow anyone to know what we're doing here.
Nobody knows, and no one will. Mrs. Griffin, look, I understand you're just trying to protect your daughter. I get that. Because I'm trying to save the one person left in my life that matters to me. I can't leave here without that pass.